Prashasti Singh from Mumbai.
Rahul Dua from Chandigarh.
Shankar Chugani from Bangalore.
Shashwat Maheshwari from Mumbai.
Arnav Rao from Chennai.
Ruben Kaduskar from Mumbai.
Yeah, and Aishwarya Mohan Raj also from Mumbai. Yeah, look at these cuties.
All right, can we invite on stage Kriti and Vijay to come up on stage? Let's take a couple of photographs with our contestants. I would also like to bring on the mentors
Full
and
crowd.
judges to come up.
होगा.
Basically everybody. किसी और को भी आना आ जाओ सर.
आप लोग आ जाओ.
बहुत wide lens है आज अपने पास.
Photogenic,
आ जाओ.
come on.
35 mm में सब fit आएगा. आ जाओ. Come on. No, just them. That's fine.
We'll figure. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा.
The 13th of July. I think in India right now, I don't think there's much competition.
But why are you speaking on behalf of Zakir? He's not.
I mean, we'd be lying if there's no competition, of course, because we, sort of make sure that we become better at what we do as much as we can. Because everyone's working really hard, so it's one of those things. It's not very like, hi, tu aisi,
we
tu
talk
waisi."
about
Yeah.
it. We've talked about it so much. Oh. I'm glad that happened.
I'm so glad I don't have a pen. Thanks.
No, we talk about it so much, and it's really healthy, and it really helps us push each other.
That also.
So we use it, right?
I
We
agree.
don't. No one wants to see me.
You know, my competition is just
go
with
down.
myself.
But yeah, I mean, technically, the word competition, if you take the connotation that probably a lot of people have, that still remains, but it kind of pushes each other to do more. So we end up doing it, and we keep collaborating with each other. So it's never like, "Ye mera idea, मैं अपने में करूँगा."
Like,
Sometimes
if you see us at open mics and stuff, there will be times when I did something and then Naveen will come and say, you can add this joke to that, or like Abhish would say something.
Yeah.
So we all keep collaborating. Like, even though we all have our individual careers, at every point we're all
That's
constantly.
what's, except Biswa. No one likes him.
Yeah. So usually we come in with that open mind and we come with that humility, and Biswa comes and says, "I'm the funniest," and we're like, "Fuck you, Biswa," and we all hate him. We all collectively hate him. That's a healthy competition.
It was sarcasm, guys.
कॉमेडी दुनिया में हुई दरार.
Comedians hate business.
क्या सब ओडिशा के कॉमेडियन के खिलाफ भड़क रहे हैं?
All right, let's go throw it open. Another question, if there's somebody.
Hello, Tanmay. My question
Yes,
is
ma'am.
for Tanmay.
Where is this?
It's,
Sorry.
yeah,
कॉमेडी की सीमा
So if you can be a little louder, yeah.
Voice.
It's a very funny question, actually. So the tagline below the Comic Sans says, "The future looks funny." So how funny your future looks to you?
Ooh.
Oh, sassyspoon at gmail.com,
like
huh?
a placeholder with your face on it.
तू फ्रंट बेंचर था ना क्लास में? डाउट वगैरह पूछ रहा था टीचर को?
Not really.
Guys, तन्मय का Instagram follow करो. वो हर दिन लिख रहा है कि वो कैसा he's writing a journal and is keeping track of his personal growth. His future is definitely great.
हाँ, तू बिस्वा का Instagram फॉलो करो. ये देख कौवा, ये देख कौवा. पिजन देखो पिजन. Both funny. Quality original content that I look for.
Healthy competition is what we're talking about.
This is not sarcasm, guys.
सही है यार, सही है.
All right. Do you want to take some more time answering that? Should we go to the next? All right, great. Sabka future funny. Any other question? Anybody else? Yes, ma'am. Can we get her a mic, please? Oh, you have?
Hi, my name is Aditi Chaudhary,
Okay.
and my question is for Vijay. Yeah. So. Yeah.
I can't see
So, sir, yeah, how is comedy as a category faring on OTT? I mean, we've talked so much about it. So,
ये front bencher ये है.
It's a medium bencher.
Well, here we are. 14 stand-up specials in year 1, 20 plus in year 2. Comicstan 6 series that have come from some of these creators here. I think, you know, it's really dawn of day one as far as comedy on Prime Video is concerned. And we are super excited for you guys to see Comicstan and see the lineup of talent that just one show like this with this kind of mentors has actually unpacked for customers in the country. It's a great time to be a comic.
right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. We have time? We have time. Yeah. Well, lunch abhi jam raha hai. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes. You have a mic? No, there it is.
Good evening. My question is for all of you, like when we are going to see you in Hindi television, where you're giving a barabar ka takkar to Kapil Sharma shows.
It's good. We should ask this question to TV televisions also. And when will we get that? All right, I'm going to throw this question open. Biswa?
If we get an opportunity and if we like the script and the tone of the show, then obviously we'll be open to doing that. But such an opportunity has not presented itself so far. So yeah, if anybody's listening, मैं audition के लिए आ सकता हूँ.
Comedy nights with Biswa.
Sure. Anybody else wants to take that? All right.
I don't want to say anything because the quote will get looped.
Yeah.
And it will be on every news channel tomorrow.
Yeah.
So just have to be careful. Yeah, so when opportunity presents, we shall be there with both our hands.
But right now, Amazon Prime is best.
All right, let's throw that question open again. Anybody else?
Oh, great. कोई class में question नहीं पूछता था.
Oh, nice. Wow.
Wow.
You did a good job, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. हो गया ना?
Either it's clear,
हो
yeah.
Okay.
All right, awesome.
Okay. Oh shucks, wait. Abhish, wait.
Yeah, what happened, man?
I don't know where my cue card is.
Here, don't worry, I have cue cards.
Thanks. Okay.
Thank God they're cue cards. They don't know what's written here. All right, that kind of brings us to the end of before we actually do, can we have a round of applause for all of you who came here today? Thank you for being patient. Thank you for such actually very interesting questions. We were a little nervous, but these questions are super fun to answer. I hope you had a lot of fun. Also, remember that Comicstan will be releasing on the 13th of July. First 4 episodes will be out. 2 episodes out of those, the first 2 will be free. Sure, for the people who like the free word. Enjoy. Do ke baad they're like, ठीक है.
Okay, thank you so much, guys.
All right, and please join us for some lunch.
Yeah, thank you.
Which is now available somewhere. Bye-bye.
I did so many things.
I should probably hire whoever wrote that introduction for Son of Abhish writing.
I will just hire that person for life.
Yes.
So
hi, how are you guys? You guys are good? How many of you are here for the Comicstan lunch, huh?
Lunch, huh? Oh, he said Comicstan lunch और कैमरा ऐसे ऊपर आया एकदम.
Lunch अभी?
Lunch कहाँ पे?
That's good. We'll go through the launch before we go through the lunch. My name is Abhish Matthew.
My name is Sumukhi.
Oh, that's it? Oh,
That's
no.
it?
Just a first name basis?
Yeah, my dad Suresh. Well, क्या करें?
Sumukhi and I have also hosted the show Comicstan. I don't know if you have seen every tweet, every post, every Instagram story, every Instagram post, every message on WhatsApp group, everything that we are doing. We guys are there at Comicstan. We've got 7 of India's top comedians also judging the show. This is going to be a fun show. It's the first time we're all come together.
Yeah, first time actually. Abhish, you said all of this, and you know what her face was?
What?
क्या हो रहा है?
You didn't see? Wow.
Shooting चल रहा है.
Well, I guess we need to do more tweets, it seems. No. Thank you, ma'am. The last time I think everyone came together was during my marriage.
I wasn't invited.
Oh, shit, sorry.
क्योंकि क्या ही कर लूँ मैं?
Never mind.
It's okay, Abhish. I'm fine. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? पानी वानी हो गया? चाय पानी? Everyone's had lunch? No? Oh, lunch is happening later. Sorry.
Yeah. See, I like it. They're already like, come on, man, just
get on with it.
Give us the lunch.
Okay. Okay, yeah, let's begin then.
Yeah, let's begin.
Yeah, okay. Well, Amazon Prime Video has been synonymous with comedy since the launch of its 14 stand-up specials, which happened in 2017.
Yeah, but not just the 14 comedy specials. There were some amazing comedy series that came out on Amazon Prime Video.
Yeah.
For example, my favorites were there, such as Lakho Mein Ek. Has anyone seen Lakho Mein Ek?
Lakho Mein Ek?
Yeah. That's right. I love that. Going Viral. Has anyone seen Going Viral? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
and,
yeah.
Yeah. Die Trying. Has anyone seen Die Trying?
Die Trying? Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh. Thank you.
Obviously,
About time.
my favorite, Chacha Vidayak Hai Hamare by Zakir Khan was also something I really enjoyed.
I have Pushpa.
Oh yeah, that's right. Son of Abish is also syndicated. Please go check it out. Mera show hai uspe. Wow. Just Abish Mathew likho, ek hi show aayega.
कुछ मत देखो सर डिलीट कर दो रिपोर्ट कर दो शो को.
No, you know what's funny? If you write Abish Mathew on Amazon Prime Video, you know what pops up? Kenny Sebastian special. That's right.
Abish, well. Amazon Prime also writes jokes on the side.
But even though 2018 is going to be even more fun. Now, the entire success of this comedy journey that we've all been part of, I mean, the entire comedy fraternity with Amazon Prime Video has been incredible. But this is the first time, and when I mean the first time, this is, you don't understand the magnitude and the madness our managers had to go through.
Yeah.
To lock all of our dates, all 9 of our dates, to do all of this together. So if you don't mind, can we have a round of applause for the managers just to start with?
Woo!
Oh, man, I don't know how they can afford therapy at that salary. It's sad. But it's the first time that we're going to be seeing today the trailer launch of Amazon Prime Video's next unscripted reality format with all the comedians that you would see here on stage tonight. And that show is called Comicstaan. Can we have a round of applause for Comicstaan?
Talia, guys. Yeah. Come on, yeah. And before we go further, let's have a peek at this comedy journey on Amazon Prime Video. Yeah? What's the fuss about? This is my cue, okay? And I don't know where the video will come. Has it come behind me? Has it? Is it coming?
You know,
oh, it's coming, it's coming.
Lights are going
Light
off.
off, okay.
Romantic.
Oh, shit.
Be out. There's going to be a lot more that's going to be happening. Sumuki, you're also there.
Thank you. Twice. 2 pictures. Same picture, but sorry.
Same picture twice.
Oh, yeah, that's all. Photo shoot ke liye utna hi paisa tha. That's all. Guys, please mere photo bhej dena mujhe. Thank you, sir.
Now, but before we actually continue, none of you guys, none of us, none of any of this would have been possible if we do not thank the one gentleman who made all of this possible. So before we bring him on stage, I do want to try something out with you because I just want to see how free your hands are. Do you guys know how to applaud?
Tali.
Okay, good. Not right now. You know, if level 0 is like petting a hamster with 0 volume, and 10 means, oh, Sukhbir aa gaya perform karne ke. In that level of excitement, let's start with a 0. Start applauding at 0. It's very good. Very polite, very British applause.
Aram se.
Very nice. Thoda pyar se. Thoda sa pyar. Halka sa. Bring it up to 1. 1. Bring it up to 3. मतलब bring it up to 5. मतलब बच्चों को जैसे थप्पड़ मारते उतने प्यार से. 7, 9. All the way up to 10, bringing on stage the head and director of content of Amazon Prime Videos, Mr. Vijay Subramaniam!
That is the shortest and fastest way to get a season 2 renewal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. It's really both an honor and pleasure to be standing in front of you, sharing the announcement of our next original. I'm probably going to be the most unfunny guy you're going to have to deal with today. And believe me, I'm already very anxious of finishing this and going back to having lunch. When we started 18 months ago, we were led by, understanding our customers' tastes and preferences and being able to serve them. We understood that our Indian customers love films, movies, and so we made it a point to get the latest and the most contemporary collection of movies across a range of languages, whether it's Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. We also understood that our customers enjoy popular TV series, And so we put together a pretty interesting portfolio of international shows. And we recognized that cinematic quality, finite fiction was pretty much missing in their world. And so we set about creating it. Inside Edge, Breathe, and more recently our first endeavor in the unscripted space, Remix, is a testimony to that. And lastly, the importance of comedy. I mean, we're a country that loves to laugh, and we realize that we have a huge opportunity to build a massive portfolio of variety of comedy that has some of the biggest names in it. There are three things that led us here. You saw the show reel and just the number of specials that we're building and what we hope to achieve from it. We recognize that variety is really important for our customers because no two customers are alike. We also recognize that in order to keep this vibrant environment of comedy alive and kicking, it becomes very important for us to create opportunities that encourage and motivate any comedian, anywhere, to give it a shot. And that's what Comicstan's all about. The whole journey is about not just winning the competition, which ultimately does matter, and the prize money. Of course, that matters too. Abhish just made it a point to get an endorsement in season 2. But what's really important is you have this unique opportunity to be mentored by India's best comics. That in itself is a huge payback to the budding industry of stand-up comedy. Through the journey of Comicstan, which is pretty fun, not only did we learn a few lessons ourselves, we also recognized that this is an opportunity for us to really double down and keep going and see how far we can take Comicstan. The trailer is going to give you a glimpse of everything that it is. And then in the Q&A, we are happy to take specific questions with regard to the format and all of that. At this point, I'm going to turn it over to our fantastic partners on this journey, OML and Kriti, to come and share the journey of Comicstan and comedy in India, because I don't think we would have done this without her.
Thanks, Vijay. Hi, my name is Kriti Gogia, and I head content at Only Much Louder. For those of you who may not know, OML started about 16 years ago. The pure purpose at that time was to provide infrastructure, representation, and support to the indie music scene. Of course, with years, our company evolved and expanded, and that's how we ventured into comedy. Comedy was an upcoming industry, and we sort of leaped at it. About 4 to 5 years ago, we had a handful of comedians and comedy writers that we managed. But as of today, we have a full-blown comedy wing with about 35 to 40 comedians as well as collectives. I think over the years, the one thing that has remained constant for us at the core of it has been to create really good content across different genres, and obviously to try and push our artists to the best of their abilities to create something different. That's when, with the emergence of different OTT platforms, and of course Amazon Prime coming in, I think our job became really simpler, because we had the opportunity of producing really good content. Like you guys saw, last year we produced 14 stand-up specials. This year we're doing 20 plus. We did 6 fiction web series. And of course today is the launch of Comicstan, our absolutely first original Prime series. I have to say that partnering with Amazon Prime has been an absolute delight. And the reason I use the word partner and not client is because that's how they are. They're absolute equal partners in the creation of this process. Going to them with any idea is always such a delight, because they come in, they'll collaborate with you, and they'll try and create the best possible version of the show. In fact, I remember the first budget call we had with the LA team, and they said to us that, look, we just want to make sure that, you have enough money to produce this show, and you can do the best possible and get all the best resources. And our entire team was really taken aback, because this is the first time a client is saying anything except, bhai, budget nahi hai, itne mein hi kar de. So that was a real delight for us, and like I said, Amazon is a great partner to be with. The inception of Comicstan happened because since we're in the comedy scene, we realized that a lot of untapped talent through open mics was just there. They needed a larger audience, they needed a better platform, they needed some guidance, and that's when Comicstan came about. We were absolutely lucky to have 9 of India's best comedians help us guide 10 extremely talented contestants through this journey. I think what we've managed to create is 9 absolutely engaging episodes, entertaining episodes. And I really hope that you all enjoy watching it as much as we did producing it. And yeah, I hope you like the trailer. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, keep it going for Vijay and for Kriti. Yeah. We are gonna go into the trailer right now, but do remember that the first 4 episodes of Comic-Con comes out on July 13th. And the first 2 episodes is gonna be free for you. So, that's right. I use the F word. I have your attention. Is the... okay.
Yeah, now brace yourself, guys, because it's time to step into the future of funny. Amazon Prime Video presents the trailer of Prime Original Series, Comic-Con.
One and only, the only must person out there, Mr. Biswa Kalyan Rao!
Keeping it real since 1989, Kanan Gill!
The third most famous Bhatt out there, Tanmay Bhatt!
The Prince of Puns, Sapan Verma!
All hail the Queen of Improv, Miss Kani Surka!
Everybody wants to be that guy, Kenny Sebastian!
All of you look really nice. Okay.
Yeah, Abhish, you want to take some questions maybe?
Oh, yes. Before we actually do continue, I've got a couple of questions that we're going to be asking. We have a mic.
And lots of chairs.
And lots of chairs.
Yeah, while the chairs come in.
Oh, great. Why don't we just like step in front?
Yeah, look at everyone.
Yeah, why don't you change that 50 mm to like a macro? I'm that close now. Cool. Photographer's not laughing at that joke. I am not very happy with my
I feel like he's sunaoge. 3 baar sun liya.
Yeah, it's correct. Cool.
Stepping further now. Oh, okay.
It's good. It's good. This is nice.
You guys like the trailer? Twice it came. I don't know. So I know only during event I found out the 2 times trailer come. मैं पहली बार में आगे चली थी दूसरे वो shit okay. And I came back. It's all small talk.
Small talk. This is pretty much like.
2 ही मिनट में मैं चाय ले आऊँगी. Original series.
Is this a serious question?
It's a serious question, but please be funny as much as you guys want to.
I think it was absolutely awesome. I have to admit that, you know, we started the spirit of partnership and we ended up with a family. So I don't think there's any better way to start.
Oh man, so sweet. Copyright nahi mila. It's okay. Photo mein aayega bhi nahi. Okay, next question goes to a friend of mine, but content head of Only Much Louder. I need to ask Kriti this question. Kriti, I want to ask you this question. You've shot with live audiences before. What about the show that you shot for Comic-Con? Did that add more complexity than the 14 specials that you have been a part of before this?
I think from a production point of view, shooting with a live audience, honestly, is always a nightmare. But like I have learned over the years, thanks to you guys, that it's absolutely essential for the artist performing, and which is why we insisted on not getting a paid audience, but getting a ticketed audience. So these were actual comedy fans out there to watch people perform. I think one of the best things that happened was that we had some people that were constantly coming for every episode shoot. And that was great. I mean, the contestants already have fans. And lastly, I have to thank these guys because the 1 or 2 times when we had technical glitches, they all took over and ensured that the audience wasn't bored and entertained them throughout playing games and performing, and I think it was great.
I think a huge round of applause for Abish and Sumuki for keeping this set alive, and even today for doing such a good job.
Okay, thanks, man.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Shit.
I'm shy.
Now, actually, my question is to Biswa now. Biswa, hi. So,
Hi, what's up?
This is the first time you guys were on the other side of the table, you know, judging the contestants. And how did you feel, Biswa?
It was where I felt very insecure because they were so good. I felt inadequate judging comedians. Yeah, it was overall, I felt like I grew as a human being through the process.
We all grow every day.
Biswa growth aadmi.
Biswa growth aadmi. All right. My question's gonna be for Kanan Gill. Kanan, where would you take me on a date and why? Sorry, it just seemed like one of those
Beach,
shows.
Juhu Beach, morning.
You had me at Juhu.
Because all the party that's there.
All right. Okay. General question. You were part of the show as a judge, and I know how tough it is to judge people, especially on their craft in comedy. What made you take that decision and say yes to this particular show?
Because when I got asked to do the show, I realized I had a real passion for press conferences. So I said, will there be a press conference? They said yes. Then I said, I'm doing it. As long as there's a press conference. In all seriousness, it's honestly, it sounds like a bullshit answer, but it's such a good platform for upcoming talent, which I feel like when I was starting out, I wouldn't have made the show as a contestant. And it's a good platform for them to be seen and to develop fans on their own, because the kind of audience that Prime gets and the kind of legitimacy that's attached to the platform, I think not only just winning, just being a part of the competition will benefit the comedians in profound ways. This is all not including our awesome mentoring, by the way. Also, the pay is pretty good, so yes.
Yeah, which is pretty. I'm talking about the mentoring was pretty good. For the people who don't know that, our judges did mentor each week all 10 of the contestants at different things that they are really strong at. So, I mean, like I think Tanmay or Biswa had said that. I think with each episode, we were just like, oh my God, they're really good. What are we doing with our lives?
Jalan Max.
Jalan Max.
Jalan Max. Well, speaking of Jalan, sorry. Sapan, my next question is to you, Sapan.
Yes.
As an audience who are going to watch Comic Stan, what can they expect? And of course, the comedy show, etc., but...
Yeah. As an audience, if you buy the subscription of Prime, first of all, you get on-the-day delivery, which is great. This is the best part. But in the show, there is... see, I'm promoting other products, not just Amazon Prime, okay?
Season 2 confirmed.
But two things generally. One is that you will get to know that we're doing 7 sub-genres of comedy, which honestly is something new that the audience has not seen before. And secondly, while we're all here, 9 of us are here, we're just hogging the limelight saying it's our show. Once you see the show, you'll know that it's not our show. It's these 10 awesome contestants that you'll see. You'll see 10 fresh faces of comedy who are the next big thing in comedy. So we'll be out, and there will be 10 new people. So I don't know why you did this.
Really?
We can still be here. We'll be there, but they'll be like, who are these guys? Why are we talking? But they'll be younger. They have better skin.
Stop talking.
All right, next up, Kenny, I have this question to you. So what is there are lots of talent hunt shows out there, especially comedically. What is the most unique thing about Comic Stan for you?
I think the most unique thing is that it wasn't there when I needed it. It would have been a great help to my career, but it came late and they called us. And I think initially when I went in, I thought it's like, oh, you just have to judge, and that's really easy to tell someone they're not funny. But what actually the thing that really connected me was you get to mentor them. So no matter what a heartless person you are, you get attached to the comedians, and you kind of like give them access to a job. I did alternate comedy, so give them access to a field that they thought they couldn't do. Some people couldn't even like wear clothes and fold bed sheets, and now
Yeah, it was awkward.
Wow.
now they're all independent.
That's all. They are all clothed because Kenny taught them.
So the mentoring
You heard
thing
it
is,
first by Kenny.
Yeah, the mentoring thing is the coolest aspect of the show.
The mentoring thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would have also considered the mentoring to be the best thing because if it was any other, if it was just a competition where you're just supposed to judge, but here you were personally invested. Each episode, the mentor themselves are sitting there and they're making sure that
Sometimes standing, sometimes standing.
Sometimes standing.
You know, but speaking of that, there's so many judges. They've mentored so many forms of comedy. Tanmay, this question is to you. Do you want to maybe tell the different forms of comedy that these guys, you know, Tanmay's like, बुला तो देती पहले, फिर question
नहीं, मैं
पूछती.
press release में क्या लिखा था याद कर रहा था बस. Man, there are so many. I know I did topical with them because topical comedy is about what's going on in the news, and I'm often on it, so I was naturally the perfect person to do it. But it's topical, observational, improv, sketch, storytelling, anecdotal. What else? Have I missed some?
Alternative
alt comedy was there. Mystery round. There was one mystery round.
Oh.
अरे बेटा एक तो googly ज़रूरी. So yeah, these were the many different types of comedy that we mentored the contestants in. It was lots of fun. The process was I was just like Navjot Singh Sidhu बहुत मजा किया 10 साल because it's a good gig. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, next up, Kaniz. Kaniz, for you, what is the most unique thing about this show? We've asked that to everybody, but I just want to know from your perspective, what is the most unique thing about the show?
I definitely did like the fact that there were so many different kinds of comedy, which is not something we've seen even in Western reality comedy shows. Like we had sketch, I did improv, there were improvised stand-up, there was alternative comedy. So it wasn't just stand-up. This is not a show where you'll just see stand-up comedy. You'll see all different kinds of comedy. I think that's a very unique part of Comicstaan, is that and then these contestants are put through, you know, all these hoops to try and, you know, try develop these skills of all these different kinds of comedy in that short period of time.
We can't emphasize how much these guys wrote in that amount of time. Collectively, during that amount of time, we wouldn't have written as much material as they wrote, and they just kept getting better and better and better. By the time it was the final, we were all in tears, not because we're going to miss them, we're just going to miss this opportunity to be on season 2 because they might become judges by then.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, of course we're happy. इन्हें खुशी तो दिल से ही आती है.
Yeah, very happy.
Speaking of the contestants, Naveen, no, not like that. Oh, shut. No, much. That's not what I meant. What I want contestants, because my next question is related to them, is that we've literally trained the future competition. Like, it's literally that. And do you think that's how do you feel? That's all.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Shit! Naveen, don't make me do it.
I really want to answer this. Please.
I'm going to read this out. This is going to find your own future competition, right? How does that feel? That's exactly the question.
Okay, I think I know what you're trying to ask me.
Thank God.
They're going to be a competition in the future.
Yeah, thanks,
yes. You know, some people might look at that. They might find it scary. They might find it challenging. I look at it and I say I find that exciting. All right?
Ooh.
I look forward to getting in a comedy duel with all of these guys. All right? I'd say bring it on. Bring it on, man.
That's right. Judge turned 4. Now we know how your scores were.
So I have a question for Abish.
Oh, me? Yes, go on.
So we had an after party after the show was done. Did you go? Oh, you were there. You were there. You passed. Your bedtime was 10 p.m. So you slept.
Were the hosts
off.
invited?
Yeah, we all were there. And Abish went hunting and you stole some writers from the show. Is that true?
Wait, you know, let me clarify this. It's not stealing writers from the show when you see people more talented than you as contestants and say, मेरे पास एक show है, उनको पैसे